Melvin, how are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Feeling confident.
Alright.
I think we're playing them twice, second game.
Okay.
Hopefully it's another win.
And what position do you play at the moment?
Play camp or right wing.
Alright.
Anyway, 7 aside playing. Hopefully I'll get some assists, some goals. You guys will see in it.
Yes, we like that. Alright. So, do you want to introduce yourself?
Osvaldo, the best player. You already know my name, so I don't need to keep saying it.
You're repping that T well.
Last game, came on, first touch, bang, top in. Today, if you want to see more, just tell me, innit?
Yes.
I don't know how to do this.
Man like Leon on camera.
You're funny, man. I'm trying to do this. I know how to do this, man. Sugar.
You've got this.
That's up and down.
You've got this.
Why don't you go left and right? This one.
Right, Leon.
Hello.
How do you think we're going to do today?
So we'll get a W.
Yeah?
Yeah, hopefully. We beat them last time 2-0.
Sick.
So,
What do you think the score is going to be today?
3-0.
3-0.
3-0, 4-0.
Alright.
We didn't have a strong team last time because it's early. Whenever it's an early kickoff, nobody really comes on time. Or they can't really make it. So
Yeah.
today, hopefully, we've got a few players there already, so it's looking positive. The other team are here early. You see, you can't really zoom in from there.
Yeah, no. You can see them in purple right there.
Yeah, but they're early, 1-2. They got a whole squad here. Look, us, we just chill, we stroll. Do you know what I mean?
To be honest, they're looking pretty prepared, you know.
They look prepared, but they won't be. When we start, we'll show them levels, innit? When we start. We look like a joke team. Well, we're saying, look, two new players there covering. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, we'll do well. Watch, we'll do well.
All right.
Just do it. This is Tolu, innit? This is Tolu, innit? You know what I mean?
Hi, Tolly. Wait, don't run away from me.
When I'm on the pitch, you can record me.
All right.
For now, we warming up. Mookery.
Where's your t-shirt at?
Zara.
So where's your Mookery at?
Oh, where's my Mookery
Yeah.
t-shirt?
We ran out, fam.
Basically,
We don't
they're not
do
used to players my size, so I'm wearing this today.
Hi, Tim. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, is this your first time playing?
Yeah,
Yeah?
no pressure.
Pressure. You've got this. So where's your Mookery t-shirt at?
Is that not it? Yeah?
Oh yeah. Nice.
I'm a team member already.
What position are you playing today then?
I'm gonna play up front, striker.
Alright.
Number 9.
Got the winning mentality?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna score all the goals. All the goals.
Bunch of joke men. Quick man. But get on the pitch, G.
Afternoon, guys. It's your boy Ori and your boy
MD Melvin.
It's game week 8 and we are playing Loughborough. Got a decent side out at the moment. There's a few people missing, but hey, it is what it is. So Loughborough started a bit different, bit slow. I think they don't really know what they're doing, but hey, wow, that jumped really quick. That's a throw. The guy did something. Now Tolu, look at him, bro. The guy didn't even touch the ball and he's just attacking him. The guy's a bulldozer. That is Tolu. Kick the ball. It's now Raf. Man like Rafinha. Oh, shambolic.
Come on,
Tolu
Raf.
with the ball. Plays a pass to Raf. Melvin looks up. Chips it into Osvaldo. Osvaldo's got the ball now. Oh, does it? Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh, what a pass.
Melvin
And
sets it.
it's Hemi. 1-0 for the boys, 4 minutes in. Let's go.
You see what brothers in, they're new.
I like Temi. It's only right. T-E-M-I.
4 minutes in. Already 1-0 for Mookery.
So the Osvaldo does a little trickery. Lord knows how he actually makes this pass into that little gap. Finds Melvin. Melvin sets it off. And Temi with the one-touch finish. Jeez, come on, boys. 1-0. I feel like these lot have forgotten to... Look, Osvaldo's busy dancing on the pitch, bro. Bloody hell, mate. Yep, so Loughborough started. Oh, Temi's just coming in like a bulldozer, mate. We've got Temi and Tolu. They're brothers. Look at them. Let's watch. Football. Oh, one. Just look at him. Animal. He just doesn't stop. Imagine he's meant to be playing centre back. Oh, and the keeper. It's man like Tony in goal. Loughborough started again. Really, truly, I'm not really seeing much of Loughborough, to be honest with you. Look at him, Temi. Oh, Tolly, bro, he's an animal. Osvaldo's now got the ball. He's looking to drive. Beats one, beats two. Oh, and he loses it. Israel's got the ball. Oh. How? He should have scored. How? He should have scored. Even just set the ball off. Boom, simple goal. Melvin's got the ball now. Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh, sets it off to Temi. Oh, Temi. Oh, and he hits the post. Literally, I'm just hearing saying Temi 3 times, but tired of it. Now Tolu's got the ball. The Bulldozer. Look at him. Butter pass. Oh, unlucky. Cuts out, Loughborough does. Then passes the ball to Ozzy. Oh, come on, Ozzy. I thought you were gonna do a bit more. You know, some samba there. Now, is Melvin going to get the ball? Is he looking at Melvin? Oh, Melvin's got it now. Passes it back to Ozzy. Melvin receives the ball back again. What's he going to do? Passes it to Tolu.
Finish!
And Tolu scores.
Come to throw your M's up.
Still does it.
Throw your M's up.
He has a retirement. He's still got it.
He still got it. Come on.
2 assists, yeah?
2 assists. Melvin back at it again. Jeez. Someone needs to calm Melvin down a bit with these passes because this guy keeps on getting them assists. But Tolu with the touch, look at that. Boom, boom, the guy can't even get it. But look at the strength. Look at the strength. He's a bulldozer. He's a cannonball. Wrecking ball, look at him. Batista. Ryback, feed me more. So that is now 2-0 and we're only 15 minutes in. Loughborough looking a bit shaky. They're not really doing much. Oh, Ozzy's got it. What's he gonna do? Plays it to Melvin. Melvin plays it back. Oh, I can't even speak there, mate. Man said he made him do a little 360. Raf's going in. Oh, and Raf hit someone. Don't know who. Look at Tolly, look at him, mate, the guy don't want it with him. Even Soren was like, hey, don't want it with this guy, he's gonna eat me up for breakfast. Temi's got the ball, brings the ball down. What's he gonna do? Oh, little trickery. Oh, errors. Oh, Tolu, come on. Oh, and they've scored. I'm not even gonna talk much about that because that's just poor, absolutely poor. But hey, it's football.
Very poor for my defence.
Very poor, man. Israel starts. We're only 17 minutes in and it's 2-1 at the moment. Temi's got the ball. Rob plays it. But then the ball now goes out. Oh, I thought he was actually going to still get the ball there. Raf's composed a bit, relaxed. He's looking up to see, scanning the pitch. Look at Tolly, look at him. Wrecking ball. Didn't even watch the ball, bro. Look at him, he just cares about his strength. Look at him. Just hold him up. Look at the two brothers. You got Raf. Look at him with his little ponytail, whatever you call it. Plays it back. Raf gets the goal. Absolutely excellent. Man like Raf. 18 minutes in and it's 3-1 to Mookery. I think Loughborough don't want it anymore. I think they've given up. Tolu's got the ball. Look at the strength. Look at the strength. Oh, see, these guys don't want it anymore. Look how he even just kicked the ball. Like it's funny that they call.
Tolu, drop back.
Loughborough. They're going in.
1-on-1.
And he hits the post. Damn, they've had some chances, but they just can't score.
I know.
Raf's busy there complaining, saying XYZ, but hey, is anyone even listening to him? Melvin sets Temi up. Oh, Temi still got the ball, passes it to Ozzy. What's Ozzy doing? Oh, he's doing a bit of Neymar. Oh, it's only, oh my days, if only he scored that goal. If only. You know, sometimes you can dream, you know? Damn. Got Loughborough attacking now. Melvin cleans up, just kicks the ball. Loughborough got the ball. Oh, Tony saves it, and then Loughborough just goes for the rebound. Another poor defending, absolutely poor. So there's 1 minute added time. Raf's coming off. Israel's got the ball, passes to Ozzy. Ozzy finds Temi, tries to. Loughborough. Yep. So that was the first half done.
How do you think it was?
Well, I'm skeptical. Maybe because I'm not playing, I'm expecting clean sheets, but you know, it is what it is.
We used to the clean sheets, right?
It's always about the clean sheets. Clean sheets every single day. There we've got Paul there, man like Wakanda.
I think going forward.
Listen, when you defend, always have one defender at the back.
You got that little, the one on the right wing.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's 7 aside. That's past the game. That's the only way we're gonna win the game, man.
We're starting. Why'd you do it?
And it's back to the second half. It's 3-2 still at the moment. So, as you guys know, each game is 20 minutes. So obviously, we just have to make sure we score and win every single damn game. But obviously, we just had a chance there. Ozzy should have scored. Probably could have even done a bit better. Forgot to say that, yeah, we've subbed on man like Femi and Israel as well. So hopefully we're expecting something a bit different. Melvin goes for the shot and then he clearly misses.
Stay left, Dario, stay left.
Loughborough, I don't know what's going on here, mate. It's a goal kick. He's hesitating, they just hoof the ball up.
What's up,
wow. Tony, coming in.
And again, mate.
Hey, dirty, bro. Mate, you see how he came in 2 foot, one boy, he brought his right foot up. Man wanted to cut him up, scissor tackle. You know, Sunday League. Now it's a free kick. He tried to play the ball. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. If that was me, I would have stretched for that ball, mate. Even if I would have pulled a muscle, don't care. But hey, that's not me. That's Loughborough United. Don't know what's going on here. It's looking a bit shambolic on the pitch. Tolu's scratching his head, but the guy's telling him, bro, look how big you are, bro. Then we've got Melvin, number 8, goes in for the free kick, and he just hits the wall. Got Israel, lovely player. Oh, Ozzy, they're linking up nicely. Oh my God! Oh mate, I need to compose myself sometimes, you know, I get a bit excited. No, I mean, it's not easy sometimes. Oh, Loughborough playing, Melvin cuts out the pass, plays it in, finds man like Israel, Tolu gets it. Oh my days. The beast has some sort of composure to himself. The Bulldozer. Damn. Teach me. Tolu. With a capital T and an Olu at the end. So it's T-Olu. Look at him stopped. Man said, yeah, go to the subway. Man said he was even moving his arm like, snap, which way? Yeah, that way. Lovely football from the boys. Lovely football.
Of course, bro. I got you. Come on, G.
He's enjoying himself, he is at the moment. But Loughborough, they're looking at, I think they've given up. It looks like they've given up. They're not really on it anymore. Melvin, is anyone collecting it? Israel, it actually is Tolu. Look at him.
Unlucky.
This guy is an animal.
He's just a beast.
He's a beast. He's a different kind of beast. He's a beast with a capital B and a capital T. I know, it doesn't even make sense, but hey, it's just a beast. Loughborough, Melvin comes in, Ozzy, there's Femi, look at him, still got the ball. Oh, and he drops. Oh no, are they going to get the goal here, Loughborough? Oh, he should have just took it first time. But well done, Tony. Oh, the ref gives a foul. Decent, I'll take that. Ozzy finds Tolu. Tolu's got the ball. Literally tries to shoot again. Literally just pinball. Israel should have scored. Oh wow. Literally just messing up, guys. I feel like they've gotten too relaxed. Like they're winning 4-2. Yeah, a game can switch in 90 seconds. But hey, this not for us. We're Mookery FC. We've got to throw them ends up. But look at he's got time wasting. Melvin gets the ball. What does he do? Oh, goes for a little shot. Unlucky. Loughborough got the ball again. Plays the ball. What's gonna happen? Oh, plays it back. Literally passes the ball back to Rafa. Melvin's now got it. Melvin's got the ball, passes it back. Rafa goes for the shot, passes it to Israel. Don't know if that was a shot or a pass, but hey, I know Rafa's going to say that it was a pass, but it looked like a shot.
It's not going to work.
It worked. Damn, so it's 5-2. Loughborough looking a bit rattled.
The hype man is excited. We got Chris in the building, man like Chris. He's going to sign a contract for Mookery FC next season, so you man get ready. That's our next goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper? Man like Chris. It's only right, just do a little handshake, cheers, just walk off. It's 5-2 to the boys, another W.
It's 3 minutes left.
Once he's got the ball, what's he going to do? Oh, passes it to Melvin. Melvin's now got the ball, looking up, pings the ball, finds, oh, man, I feel like wrapped up his head over there.
He jumped too soon.
I just feel like he ducked.
You run from the ball.
Didn't want it, don't want it, you know. Loughborough got the ball again. I'll be honest with you, I haven't really seen much of Loughborough.
Fucking pussy.
Drop back, bro.
Raf's telling him, get up, bro. Raf's got the ball now. What's he gonna do? Oh, little step over. 1, 2. Is he gonna go? Oh, no. Who's that? Femi passes it over. Passes it to Israel. Femi gets it back. Trying to look for a pass. What's he gonna do? Passes it to Raf.
Ooh!
Raf!
Liquid nutmeg. Just a cheeky nutmeg.
Hey guys, stop it. It's only Dream League. Remember this, innit? We haven't even started. We haven't even gone full throttle.
And he's smiling. Like, you don't do that. That's very rude, mate.
Melvin's looking for the ball, like, but I feel like Melvin's posting at the same time.
Yeah.
Look at him. Israel's got the ball. Looks for Melvin. Melvin goes for the shot.
Nah, it's not 20 minutes, fam.
Finish the game early. We're about to finish the game early. It's too bad.
What's the score?
Brutal beating. Listen, we don't want the teams to retire and things so early. It's still early in the league. 5-2, 6-2, probably even 10. I don't even know. Just goals are going in.
As you know, we're top of the league with 22 points. And then we've got FC Basloy with 17 points. And then BNB with 13. I can't be bothered to say the rest because you already know what the score is.
I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah.
So that's Balotelli, you say. When the postman posts a letter.
That one.
When the postman posts a letter,
Good.
he doesn't celebrate because that's his job. We win. That's what we're here to do. Win.
Come on.
Also, Balotelli says, why always me? You know what I mean? Like,
He used to be our #1 keeper, and then he went part-time, and then he left us for another team, leaving aside.
Yeah, I'm touring around.
You're looking really up to it now. You know you're not coming back.
Is it focus? Transfer windows open.
Obviously, decent game, a couple megs here and there. It was light work, easy. I had to leave work to come beat people. Yeah, so obviously catch us next week. More megs to come, more goals, more hat-tricks. What can I say?
Light work. Yeah, obviously, Mbappe didn't score today, but next game you already know I'm back. Obviously, I received a couple of offers. If my man don't give me a contract by the end of the day, I'll quit. Yeah, I'm joking.
Been told to ask, what have you missed so much?
What did you think of my finishing today?
you got some sitters today.
Listen, I don't know what to say. It was shocking. Definitely put that on your Facebook page. That's the highlights. No, I'm just going with one. I'm going with one. I was better. I was better in assisting than finishing. Clearly, play this part.
At least
Do you
was
play?
there.
Do you play?
No, I just have Leo.
You don't play at all?
No. I do, but I'm not good enough. Not good enough.
Gotta jump on, man. Shit. That's how you get rolling, man.
You definitely would have finished one or two of them, yeah? You know that?
I think I would have stayed back better than them.
You don't give the keeper no credits now.
You got him, that first save.
No, the first one was a bit mad.
When I got here, I was late, I saw it, and you put him on the floor, and I was like, oh, bang that. And I don't know how he lifted his leg up. He just hit his leg. What?
I thought he hit him in the face.
Was it his face? He hit.
Yeah,
Hit him in the head, man. Yeah, he was on it.
doesn't rate his face at all.
He made a sick save to the bottom corner in the second half as well.
This week we're messing about. It was just banner, innit? No defending. No defending, but yeah, we've got the W anyway. That's the most important thing. So keep up the support, you know, Mookery. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, we'll see you next week. Got a special guest, camera girl, Mookery girls. Come on. Next week. If she's down, she's there.